They are telling us that CS Kipchumba Murkomen and PS Raymond Omolo is putting them under intense pressure to work with goons, to defend goons, and to allow goons to disrupt our meetings. I want to thank our police officers, who are very patriotic officers, and assure them that the darkest hour is just before dawn. There will be a new beginning next year. Please continue resisting pressure from Murkomen and Omolo to break the law. Yesterday, the police here in Gusiiland were under a lot of pressure from Murkomen and Omolo to allow goons to disrupt our meetings, and the police are resisting. In Nakuru, the police are under a lot of pressure from CS Murkomen to work with the goons to disrupt our meetings on Friday and Saturday, and the police are saying no. I want to tell Murkomen and William Ruto, you don't have enough ammunition to kill 50 million Kenyans. I want to tell William Ruto, you came to power through a popular vote. Somehow along the line you seem to have changed your mind that you can get back to power through guns, bullets, tear gas and goons. It has never worked anywhere, not just in Africa but in the world.